Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dev Sami, and today we're actually going to be talking about MongoDB database. How you can actually get to connect MongoDB Atlas to the MongoDB Compass in your local machine, and also how you can also get to connect the Atlas to your Node.js project. So the first thing first, we're actually going to click on this Get Started. Yeah, so in the Get Started app, we have this basic information: the first name, the last name, the company, email, and password. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm just going to click on the sign up with Google. Yeah, so after continuing with Google, it brought us to this place. So we're just going to answer these basic questions, basically. So it's saying, what's your primary goal? I'm just going to say, choose build a project in mind. Um, More than a year, or let me select, more than a year. So what programming language? We're just going to select this guy here. What types of data will your project use? Just select anything, actually. It's just the basic information. Yeah, so after the personalized information, it's going to bring you to this payment system. So I'm just going to select free, actually. I'm going to select free. I'm going to click on create deployment. Yeah, so immediately after that, it brought us to this page. It brought us to this section here. So I'm actually just going to come here. The first thing I want to do is that I'm going to go to the main dashboard, the Atlas dashboard. Yeah, so we are here in the Atlas dashboard. So the first thing I want to do is that I want to actually create a new project from scratch. So I'm just going to click on create a new project, and I'm just going to give it a name of Nat. Just going to give it a name of Nat. I'm going to leave this key and value empty. Then I'm going to click on next. Then it's telling me to add members and set permissions. So we don't need that for now, actually. I'm just going to click on create project right away. Yeah, so immediately after that, it brought us to this cluster section under this under the project, which is company. So it brought us to this cluster section. So I'm just going to click on create cluster. And it's asking me for the payment system and all of that. I'm still going to select free here as well. I'm just going to click on create deployment. Yeah, so while creating cluster, I'm asked to select my username, which is this, and this is my password actually. So I'm just going to change it to something basic: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, basically, since we are just having a tutorial basically. So I've selected the username and I've selected my password as well, which I've done. So I'll just click on create database user right away. So immediately after that, I'm just going to click on choose a connection method. So we have two types of connection methods. So I'll go for the second one, which is this compass here. I'm just going to click on this compass here, which is actually for our MongoDB compass in our local machine. So I'm going to click on this, and it's going to is generating me this string format, which I'm actually going to copy. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to click on done. Yeah, so the next thing I'd like to do is that I'd like to go to your to this quick start security here, this here. So I'd like you to scroll down and check for the IP address. Now, basically, before you actually go on anything, you actually need to make sure that your IP address is actually selected here. Now, on creation of an account, basically, MongoDB database actually automatically picks your IP address, your local PC IP address, and puts it there. So I already have this here already, so I don't need to add any. But if at all you don't have this here, you might just need to add an IP. Just come here, click on the IP, enter the description, and then click on add my current IP address, basically, and it's going to get your IP address added, basically. So that's for that. So let me just go back. Now let me open my compass. I'm going to click on add new connection. I'm just going to put my string here. And I'm going to click on save and connect. So it's connecting. Yeah, so we've actually connected to the database. So this is how it looks like actually, and that's actually how to go about connection from the compass to the Atlas, the MongoDB server, the MongoDB database server. So the next one to do is that we want to connect it to Node.js project. So I would go to my clusters here. Yeah, so in the cluster, I'll click on connect, and I'll click on these drivers here, which is access your Atlas data using MongoDB native drivers, e.g. Node.js, Go, and etc. So this is actually for Node.js, basically. So I'll click on it, and then I'll copy this. Yeah, so this is our Node.js project, actually. So in our Node.js project, I'm just going to go to my env environment variables, and I have this variable, which is DB connection. I'm just going to put the string here that I copied initially. So for the DB password, I'm just going to cancel this and put in the actual password that we have, basically. So after doing that in the environment variables, so I have this DB connect file in our config folder here. I'm actually getting a variable, a DB connection from the env. Basically, you can see process.env. I'm getting from the env. So here I'm actually going to console the connection host, and I'm actually consoling the connection name as well. So I'm calling it here in the index .js. Basically, it's just a basic thing actually. So I'm just going to run my npm run dev. Yes, so after running the npm run dev, so I have this, which means it's actually connected successfully. So I have these. You can see you have that. I have database connected, and I have this as the host, the connection host, and I have this as actually as the name. Also, I have the test as the name, basically. And so that's all about connection with from your MongoDB Atlas to the Compass, your MongoDB Compass on your local machine, and also to your Node.js project. And that way you're good to go. So if you find this video very helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel and react to this video. Thanks.